Good morning, everyone. Today is a big day. It's time for the first service. I'm heading to Groningen. We don't have time for the back roads, so unfortunately the highway will have to do. It is going to be a busy day. I have the appointment at 9. I'll drop off the bike and I'll get picked up, head to the office, and at the end of the day I can pick it up again. I'm really looking forward to it. So curious to know like how fast this bike actually is. I've been so used to shifting at 6,000-7,000 that it will probably need a little bit of adjustment, relearning on my part. But I think I'll find out tonight. After I pick it up at the end of the day, I'll head into the city for dinner and then drive it back home again. Then we can really test it out. Time to put it on cruise and have like a 30-minute highway ride. I'm not going to bore you with that. I'll see you there. Alright, we should be pretty much there, I think. Ah, there it is. Alright, let's see. BMW. Lots of police bikes. Let's put it next to it. And off we go. 8 p.m. Time to head home. This guy wants to race. There we go. Not even driven 5 kilometers and I can already tell it's a different beast. It is very windy on the highway tonight. Not really looking to do full pulls yet. First of all, the highway isn't empty, but I also feel a bit tired, so best not to push it on day one. I again am experiencing that the bike is just hard to keep in a real straight line. I'm getting tossed around here with the wind, the big backpack, also the aero disc I have on the front. They do affect the riding performance. Especially the other day during the crosswinds, I could feel my steering wheel pull because of them. The front came off the ground there. I think that was third gear. With not even full throttle. Yikes. I guess that they weren't lying at the dealership when they warned me. It really does start at 8,000. It gets a second breath. I'm not really confident to push it on these roads beyond, like, I don't know, what was that, 10,000 or something? It's already so fast. Also, with the throttle directness in the race pro modes, you just have to twist it a little bit and the bike picks up and then it starts building. Yeah, in all fairness, it is quite controlled. Like, you don't really have to pull wheelies, or I don't have the feeling that it's going to bug me off or act in a strange way. It's very predictable in that sense. The front gets really nice. I saw it shaking there. Like, not trying to do that. I was even short shifting. Let's do a little bit of highway and then we'll call it a day. Even worse when you do a pull. It is just weaving on the road.